Okay, we're at the Dusseldorf Boat Show and it's the day before the show opens. So we're going to sneak in and give you a quick tour of what to look at. We'll give you also a quick tour of the Fairlines. Tomorrow morning you won't be able to move in here. The noise will be unbelievable. So let's go quick. I've even got my luggage. We come straight from the airport and it's literally a 10-minute ride from the airport to the halls. So follow me. Okay, so I'll carry your bag down the stairs, Dan.
Thank you.
Cheers. Cool, what have you got in there? What have you got in there? We're only going for 5 days. No, 5. Cool. Let's go. Need one of those. There's 17 halls here. In fact, there's more because some of them have got like 7A and 7B. Fairline and all the big boats are in hall 6, so that's where we're walking to. But as you can see, we're walking through some other halls which have got really nice art. There's a whole hall for pictures. Come on. Come on, son. We've got a lot of walking to do. Okay, some of the halls are interlinked through fresh air, or they've got links like this, Dan. See the link? But it's quite nice to get a bit of fresh air. So we're leaving hall 7. We're going to come out of here, turn right and go into hall 6, which is where we're in. Let's go. This is where you get your buns and son. Barbecue burger and good shit. How cool's that? Are they allowed to say that, Dan? Good shit. Let's go. This is hall 6. It's the biggest hall here, so you can't miss it. And it's where all the big boats are, and it's where we are. So let's go inside. Come on. I think we're down this one. Right, we've stopped at the Sunseeker stand because they're launching their new 55 tomorrow. So that is a boat you want to come and see. We're bringing out a Fairline Targa 55 this year, later this year. So have a look at that. If you like it, buy it. If you don't mind waiting a little bit longer for something super special, then come and see us. Right, Fairline, round over here. Ooh. Okay, you can't miss us this year. We're right next to Sunseeker. So we've got we've got a very nice stand. So let's go and have a look. Okay, I'm going to put these behind the desk and then we'll do a little quick whiz round to show you what we got, all right? Hiya.
Hi.
How are you, all right?
Good.
Okay.
I know, I won't be in it.
That's all right, you're in it now, it's too late. Too late, Camilla, you're in it. Right, this is the Fairline front desk. This is where you come, and tomorrow, or during the show, it'll be very, very tidy. So straight behind us, we've got the new Phantom 65, so come and have a look. Hiya. So, Here is the new Phantom 65, and here we've got the 45 GT, and here we have a Gurkle cherry picker. It's quiet, isn't it? He's very quiet. I'd love to have a go in that. There's another one there, look. Anyway, let's look at the boat. Now, I'm not going to take my shoes off, but don't tell Miles I'm not going to walk on the carpets, but I'm just going to put my head round the door and we'll do a proper tour of this during the show. This is the new Phantom 65, and I'm really embarrassed to say I haven't actually seen it before. So, like I said, we'll do a proper tour in a couple of days, but we'll just put our head in the door, Dan. Ooh, I like that. That is very, very cool. So like I say, we're just showing you what we've got and how easy it is to get to Dusseldorf. The flight was 1 hour, 10 minutes from City Airport. Taxi was 10 minutes, as I said. And it's just a doddle to get here. And the whole city is full of hotels. So if you're not doing anything during January, from the 21st to the 29th, then come over. I mean, it's warm in here too. This is the Targa 45 GT, which I've done a sea trial of and a tour. We'll just put our head in here so you can quickly see this. I won't be doing another video on this, but have a look inside. It's got a lovely walnut satin. And now we will go and have a quick peek at the Squadron 68 and the others. This is the Fairline 33, which we've done a tour of already. And then over here, God, we've got so much space. Over here, we have got the Targa 50 and the Squadron 68. Love these windows. Here is the Squadron 68. How about this? Look at that. Look at that saloon, Dan. Look at that saloon. And we've got a huge flybridge. And we've got a bar, actually. Look at the bar. Whew.
You get one out.
Tarquins.
Very nice.
No, we're not allowed to drink until the evening. Let's go to the flybridge though, because we might be able to see some of the rest of the show. Okay, so here's the flybridge on the 68. There we've got the Phantom 65. This is the Sunseeker stand, so that's the Ocean 90. You can see the new 55 in the background there. You can zoom in on that a sec, Dan. There's the 55 in the middle. And then we've got our F-line here and our Targa 50 here. And then around the back of that pillar we've got the Targa 45 and the Phantom 65. So we have 5 boats here at the show. It's a fantastic show. And look, I can nearly touch that walkway, look. That walkway is very, very close this year. Really, really nice. Okay, I know it's only a quick roundup, but I plead with you to come to this show because the manufacturers spend millions getting the boats to this show in this lovely 19-degree temperature. All you've got to do is jump in a plane and come and have some fun. And what's wrong with that?
Maybe. You've got to do double thumbs, otherwise you'll get in trouble. stickiest wheels ever.
What? I was gonna go. No? Yeah.
Be cool.